Welcome to PYQ.
Let's see a totally hinged proof of Pythagorean theorem. Consider a right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C. Of the leg of length A, draw a square with side A. Its area is A square. Similarly, of the leg B of length B, draw the square of the side length B and its area will be B square. So the total area of these two squares is A square plus B square. Now Hinge open the triangle at the vertex and place these two squares side by side. Notice that we can fit these two copies of original right angle inside. One here and one the rotated copy right next to it. Here comes the awesome hinged rotation. We swing each triangular region around its vertex, rotating it 270 degrees or 3 pi over 2 radians, but in opposite direction. Since the triangle is a right angle triangle, its acute angles are complementary, which means all the 4 angles of the new figure is a right angle. Now look what we have made. Each side of the figure of the hypotenuse of the original triangle length C. So the figure is C by C square enclosing an area of C square. Because this C squared area was built entirely from the A square and B square areas, we can conclude that A square plus B square is equal to C square, and that is the Pythagorean theorem. And that's our hinged dissection proof.
If you enjoyed this visual proof, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more math explained visually.